Every day, more people are turning to hair replacement systems, and this is a great chance to get into the business of hair pieces for men. At Superhairpieces, we designed Evolve Global Academy, showing a deep commitment to helping you to revamp your career by providing the hair replacement specialist course and helping your business reach the next level.
I'm a hairstylist. I've been a hairstylist for 21 years, and I wanted to take this course just to add on to my skills and try something new and be unique.
I'm a hairdresser and I've been in the industry 32 years. I wear a system myself, and I want to be able to help my clients that are struggling with hair loss and hair thinning and be able to offer more solutions for them. It was wonderful. I learned so much today. The instructors were amazing. It was a great day.
If you are a hairstylist interested in learning the skills to offer this service to clientele, join our hands-on hair replacement specialist course and master the art of installing and maintaining premium hair replacement systems.